Welcome to Hill Annex Mine in beautiful Calumet, Minnesota. The Hill Annex Mine produced iron ore so rich it could be shipped to eastern mills with almost no processing. In 1912, Arthur Iron Mining Company, a subsidiary of the Great Northern Railroad owned by James J. Hill, began developing the mine. By 1914, it had produced over 5,000 tons of high-grade ore. The Interstate Iron Company, an affiliate of the Jones and Laughlin Steel Corporation, leased the property in 1917 and retained an interest in the mine until it closed in 1978. Sadly, the World Wars depleted Minnesota's richest ore bodies. In 1941, during World War II, the Hill Annex Mine shipped 3,500,000 tons of ore, the largest annual shipment it ever produced. By 1950, most of the mine's high-grade ore was gone. Jones and Laughlin installed equipment capable of producing and shipping ore from the lower grade formations, but production continued to decline until adverse economic conditions forced the property to close in 1978. The origins of the underlying bedrock formations in the park date back over 2.7 billion years. The Hill Annex mine produced 63 million tons of iron ore and was the sixth largest producer in the state. Over its 60 years of operation, mining technology changed drastically. In the early days, horses provided the power. Eventually, steam and then electrical power replaced the horse-drawn equipment. When the high-grade ore finally played out, the mine was sold to the Iron Range Resources and Rehabilitation Board for $1. Today, the Hill Annex Mine is a state park in Minnesota, interpreting the open-pit mining heritage of the Mesabi Range. The park is located north of the city of Calumet in Itasca County. The park provides access to fossil material exposed by mining. If you have the time, you should check out this breathtaking Minnesota treasure.